Hello and welcome back. So we're starting a new unit on circles. And you may be thinking, okay, like it's just a circle. What is there to know? But you might be amazed at how many nifty relationships there are within circles. So we're going to start with a bit of just basic vocabulary, lay the foundation, and then we'll dive in. Here we go. A circle consists of all points in a plane that are a given distance, called the radius, from a given point, called the center. And a circle is named by the center point. So this is circle F. A segment with endpoints that are at the center and on the circle is called a radius. So radii, that's plural for radius, in this circle would be FD, FC, and FB. Now, a segment with endpoints on the circle is called a chord. So the chords in this circle are EA and DB. A chord that passes through the circle center and is made up of collinear radii is called a diameter. You've probably heard that one before. So the diameter in this circle is DB. And you'll notice that DB is both a chord and a diameter, and that's okay. For a circle that has a radius r and a diameter d, we know that the following are true. The radius is the diameter divided by 2. Or you could also say that the radius is half the diameter. Or you could also say that the diameter is twice the radius. So let's look at some examples. If AB is 30 millimeters, we need to find AR. Well, again, we know that the radius is half of the diameter. So that means that AR is, 15 millimeters. What if RY is 18 inches? We need to find AR and AB. Well, all radii are equal. So that means that AR, because it's also a radius, is 18 inches. And we know that the diameter is twice the radius. So we know that AB, the diameter, is 36 inches. The circumference of a circle is the distance around the circle. The formula for circumference is circumference equals pi times the diameter, or the circumference is 2 times pi times the radius. Either one works. So we're going to find the diameter and radius of a circle with the given circumference. We'll round to the nearest hundredth. So this circle has a circumference of 21.2, which means 21.2 equals pi times the diameter. To find the diameter, we just need to divide both sides by pi. So 21.2 divided by pi is about 6.75. To find the radius, we can use a very similar process. 21.2 equals 2 times pi times r. And to figure out just what the radius is, we'll divide both sides by 2 pi. So we get 3.38 equals the radius. And actually, we could have just taken the diameter and divided it by 2. Okay, how about this one? We're going to find the exact circumference of a circle using the given inscribed or circumscribed polygon. You see, there's a triangle here. And using that triangle, a right triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find that missing side, the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the diameter of our circle. So 42 squared plus 40 squared equals the diameter squared. We can solve for d, so we know that our diameter is 58. So now we can find the circumference. 58 times pi is about 182.2. Quick introduction to circles and circumference. Thanks for being here, and we'll dive into circles in more depth next time.